Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are both updated and on the same Apple ID. This prevents sync conflicts. Once done, install and sign into the Weight Watchers app on your iPhone so the companion connection can be established. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, and open the WW app to grant Apple Health permissions when prompted. This is why WW reads steps and workouts. These prerequisites let the apps exchange data immediately. Now you connect WW to Apple Health inside the Weight Watchers app. This is the central bridge. In Settings, choose Connect Devices, select Apple Health, and grant access to steps, workouts, active energy, and heart rate so WW can import activity data accurately. Make sure you enable both read and write where offered. WW writes weight and activity and reads steps and workouts. Once permissions are accepted, return to the WW app and let it import recent data from your watch. That completes the middle step. Finish by verifying that workouts and steps from your Apple Watch appear in the Weight Watchers app. Check the diary or activity summary to confirm values match. If data is missing, first force close both apps, then restart your iPhone and Apple Watch. This often reestablishes HealthKit handoffs. Make sure Apple Health still shows WW under data access. If problems persist, reinstall Weight Watchers and reauthorize health permissions. This resets the connection and usually resolves persistent sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.